What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today I am going to do a short style in my bald cut. I haven't brushed it yet or anything. I moisturized it last night, but I haven't brushed it this morning or put anything in it this morning. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I've been thinking about doing a baldy Q&A. I get a lot of questions about my hair and who cuts it and things of that nature. So yeah, let's get started. First, I normally start off by brushing my hair because I did moisturize it last night. I did have waves before, but I always wind up cutting my hair back really low. This is about 2 weeks, about 2 weeks worth of growth from my last cut. And this is what I normally do. Just brush it and get it nice and soft, right? And then I go and I get I use this. It's Carol's Daughter hair milk. So I use this. It's a refresher spray, nourishing, conditioning. And I'll shake it up. And I spray that. And I just work that in with my hands. I push my hair back sometimes too, just to make sure I'm getting it. And I do it again. And I just do it like that. Now that it's nice and even more soft and wet, I brush it some more. And I always follow my hand behind at the top because I want it to lay flat. I want it to lay flat. I don't want it to be, I don't like all those frizzy sometimes. Sometimes the frizziness is cute, but when you want your hair to really lay down without all the frizziness, I just follow with my hand. So there's that. And this is how it looks after I do that. This is how it looks. I'm gonna go in with my husband's Creme of Nature with Argan oil, creamy oil moisturizing hair lotion. It restores moisture, softens, and adds exotic shine. You're probably gonna see this video and be like, why are you using my stuff? Because you always using mine, shoot. But yeah, he always stealing my haircare products. I'm the one to put him on to this, and he just, he be stingy with his stuff sometimes. So I do it. So I use his stuff and I just be like, yep, I used it. So what? And then we laugh about it. But so I work this throughout my head. And I just push it down and push it down. Just push it down, push it down, push it down. Just like that. I may use a little bit more when I want to go for a little extra moisture. I don't really use a lot. Just rub it in your hands like this. I'm sorry, I'm not showing y'all how much I use, but honestly, I'm not gonna tell you, how much to use on your hair because we have different texture hair. You know what works for your hair. You know how much you need to put, how moisturized you want your hair. You know that I don't. So, I just use how much I think is going to be enough for my hair. Sometimes I use a quarter size amount. Sometimes, you know, I use 2 quarter size amounts in my hair of the oil moisturizer. But I brush and I brush and I brush. Just keep brushing and brushing and brushing. And follow through with your hand. This is also a soft brush, by the way. I got this from Walmart. It's a Conair brush, but it's soft. It's not medium. It's like, it's really soft. You don't want a hard brush on your short hair, especially when it's wet. You scratch that scalp and it hurts. But I really prefer a soft brush. And after all of that, I go in with my Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. It gives an exotic and enticing lightweight blend with coconut oil and bamboo extract. It helps leave hair hydrated, soft, touchable, and healthier looking with each use. It's by OGX. So I just use that. Let's see. I shake it up sometimes too. I don't know. I shake up all my products most of the time. But I spray. I spray, spray, spray. Spray that. Right. You see? I don't know if you can see it, but that shine is giving a lot of shine right now. Yeah. I've been a baldie for, see, I cut my hair in, I think January, February 2000. January, February 2019. So it's been a year of me being an official, you know, baldie. It's been a year. And I'm loving it. I tried to let my hair grow out a few times and I couldn't do it. I could not do it. Something draws me back to it being this short, this length, and it's more of a confidence thing, you know. It makes you feel free, especially after you first cut it. It just makes you feel free, and you have to embrace that natural beauty. You have to embrace your bone structure and find ways to make you look even more feminine when it comes to makeup. Now, sometimes I don't wear makeup. I may put on some gloss, do my eyebrows, lashes, and some hoop earrings, but that's it. Because I'm still trying to get into that full face beat, you know, because I don't know how people be doing it, the colorful eyeshadow, all of that. That's not me, but I'm trying to learn, you know, especially with having the short hair, you got to learn how to incorporate those different things. I'm gonna say, if you've been thinking about cutting your hair for so long and you're worried about what other people think, go for it. Don't let what other people may think about you, you know, affect your mindset, affect how you feel about yourself. I went through a time period of that. I'm still trying to get comfortable in my own body, being a mom of 2 back to back, being a wife, and seeing all, you know, you see all these different body types and women that you may think these women are more beautiful than you and stuff, but everybody has their own unique thing to themselves, and that's what you have to embrace. So if you want to cut your hair, go for it. That's all, is go for it. I went for it and I felt so free. I told my husband, I said, baby, I'm gonna cut my hair. And he was like, what you mean? I said, I'm gonna cut it. I wanna cut it short. And he went out to the store, and 20 minutes later, he came back and my hair was short, and it wasn't as short as I wanted it to be. I had like a little TWA. I cut them with some hair scissors, and I went to Walmart, got me some clippers that night, and I cut it bald. And it was the best decision I ever made. It really was. It was truly the best decision I ever made, and I wouldn't change it. It's so fun playing with the different hair colors, and you know, I cut my own hair now. Sometimes I may go to the barber if I want to get it, you know, an extravagant design or something like that. I may go to the barber, but if I can cut my hair myself, why not do it? Save me some coins. Now my husband, on the other hand, he doesn't want me cutting his hair, even though I think I'm doing pretty good, you know, doing pretty good, but he doesn't want me to cut my hair. But sorry, I know I just been rambling, but this is really it for my how I take care of my hair in the morning. Sometimes, you know, nighttime, do something different, add different moisturizers. I'll wash my hair probably every 2-3 days. Sometimes I may wash it, but with my hair being short, you know, you don't want to washing it with sulfate shampoo, dries out your scalp and stuff. So I would say co-wash, and I know some women use dry shampoo in between it, you know, if they don't want to wash their hair. But I just say it's short, you can wet it, it dries quick. Why not just co-wash it? And I'm gonna leave this on for probably about 20-30 minutes, and I will be back with the final result. It's not gonna be that amazing. You're just gonna see it laid down flat, and I'm gonna be honest, you know, but that's it. Hi guys, so I'm back with the final result, and here it is. See how it's laying down? It's laying down nice and good and nice and moisturized. So yeah, and this is it. Yeah, I'm not going nowhere, but just throw on some earrings and some lip gloss. Any other time I would probably do my eyebrows and stuff, but this is it. Simple, easy to do, you know, nothing high maintenance about it or anything like that. And the products I got, they work for, you know, like I say, what works for me may not work for you. So trial and error type thing with your hair. If you can find the travel size for them, then get those. Thank you for watching this video. If you stayed the whole time, that is greatly appreciated. I truly do appreciate it, especially with this being my second video. Leave me some comments down below, like it, subscribe to my channel. There will be more to come, a lot more to come. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a blessed day.